You guys have been amazing, and you've challenged me and inspired me and given me opportunities that I never would have got anywhere else. Lastly, and most importantly, I want to thank God for this opportunity. He gave me this song that I'm about to sing for you guys about 2 years ago. It's called Birds of the Air. He really put this song on my heart. I'm sure a lot of you probably struggle with this just as much as I do. I worry and overthink pretty much everything, and way too much, and you lose a lot of sleep. You cry a lot, at least I do, especially when I get tired. And it's just rough, and a lot of people struggle with that, and so he gave me this song, put it on my heart. He says over and over in the Bible how we don't need to worry about the little things. He has every single minute planned out in his perfect plan, and I don't know about you guys, but that gives me such an incredible peace and so much comfort that I can just count on that and know that God's gonna get me where I need to be and give me exactly what I need. So I hope you love this song. Like I said, it's called Birds of the Air. And yeah, so let me check it real quick. Woo! Am I on? Yeah? Okay. Oh, you are tired. You've got so many things on your mind at one time. For you to sleep, it's so hard to get rid of the worry that just won't leave. You're so afraid of what you don't know, and you can't stop thinking about tomorrow. But let me tell you a secret, worrying won't help at all. Thoughts that can't control you, no matter how big or small. Don't you see the birds of the air flying around without a care? You'll never hear them saying, what am I gonna eat or what am I gonna wear? Look to your left and look to your right. He takes care of everything in your sight. So what makes you think he won't take care of you? That's what he says he'll do. Why do we worry about the things we don't control? And while we fret in everything, I don't know. He says over and over, he will provide, and we should trust him all the time. Don't you see the birds of the air flying around without a care? You'll never hear them saying, what am I gonna eat or what am I gonna wear? Look to your left and look to your right. He takes care of everything in his sight. So what makes you think he won't take care of you? That's what he says he'll do. That's what he says he'll do. Don't you see the birds of the air flying around without a care? What makes you think he won't take care of you? That's what he's going to do.